Everyone, so React Native support and Gemini live APIs for Vertex AI in Firebase. So Google has just added this particular support. So add real-time conversational AI capabilities and bring generative AI features to your React Native apps. So they are saying we are excited to announce updates for further integration of Firebase and Vertex AI, focused on providing you with more direct and effective tools to build compelling AI driven features directly into your mobile and web apps. This updates provides access to powerful newer models, introduce APIs tailored for interactive use cases, and expand platform support. Experience natural conversations with Gemini's live API. You can use Gemini's live API in Firebase to simplify building sophisticated conversational app experience. These APIs enable streaming audio or text input to the model and receiving streaming audio and text responses, making it possible to create natural interactive dialogues. This lets you build real-time voice interaction, including handling interruptions and fluid back and forth exchanges. Firebase manages the underlying technical complexity of this two-way communication, freeing you to focus on crafting intuitive user experiences for your app. The Android and Flutter public preview SDKs are now available. Support for additional platform is coming soon. Here's a glimpse of how you can use it in Kotlin Android. So yeah, this is how you can use it. Expand your reach with a React Native support. As we are dedicated to supporting developers across all major platforms, we are thrilled to announce the expansion of Vertex AI in Firebase to include React Native, one of the most popular cross-platform app development frameworks. You can now effortlessly, securely, and directly incorporate Gemini APIs into your React Native application, broadening the reach of AI-powered innovation to even more users and devices. Here's an example using the React Native Firebase Vertex AI module to generate text. So yeah, this is how you can use it. And here you can see on the button click, we just get our app, then we pass it to our get Vertex AI, and then we just do get generative model, and then you can do whatever you want with the model. So here they are writing a poem about React Native developer using Firebase SDK code snippets in Vertex AI Studio to speed up your ideation and testing process. You can now generate Firebase SDK code snippets with Vertex AI Studio. Now, while you are experimenting or refining your prompts in the Vertex AI Studio, you can instantly get the necessary setup and initialization code for your target platform, including Android, Swift, Web, and Flutter. Get started and build what's next. So these updates bring powerful new ways to integrate Vertex AI directly into your Firebase application, providing practical building blocks for creating richer AI-powered features securely from your client-side code managed through the Firebase platform you already use. Here are some resources to get you started. So here you can refer to this documentation. Let us know what you think about these new capabilities and share your creation with the Firebase community. We are excited to see you what you build. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.